Hi, this is KSN sir, IIT Maths lecturer. So, Telangana students, Maths 1B ఫెయిల్ అవుతానని భయంగా ఉంటే లేదా 75 మార్కులు కావాలి అన్న ఆలోచన ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈ వీడియోని చూడండి. ఖచ్చితంగా ఏ ఏరియాస్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయో ఆ ఏరియాస్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ని మీకు ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు కంపల్సరీగా చేసినట్లయితే 100% నాకున్న అనుభవం ప్రకారం 1:3 రేషియోలో మీకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని మీకు చేయటం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ 1:3 క్వశ్చన్స్ 1:3 ఉన్న ఈ రేషియోస్లో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ని మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చేసుకున్నట్లయితే మినిమం 46 మార్క్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి. ఈ ఎబో రావాలంటే ఇంకా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ టాపిక్స్ని చూస్తే మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా దాంట్లో మీకు చేసే ఫీల్ ఉంటుంది. సో మ్యాథ్స్ 1B ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోకస్ పాయింట్ P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A1, 2. And the same second question, if A 5, 3 and B 5, 3, -2 are two fixed points, find the equation of the locus of the P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9. Find the equation of the third question, find the equation of the locus of the point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A 1, 2, B -2, 3. These are the 3 questions are locus. So ఖచ్చితంగా 1 question is given. So here next, transformations of axes. So 3 questions. So when the origin is shifted to -1, 2 by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of the x² plus y² plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. And the second question, 2x² plus 2y² minus 4y plus 4y equal to 0. So one question. Second question, when the axes are rotated through the angle 45 degrees, then transform the equation of the curve is 17x² minus 16xy plus 17y² plus 225. Find the original equation of the curve. Now next question, when the axes are rotated through the angle alpha, find the transform the equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Next one, straight lines. So first question, if Q h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular from P and x1 y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then x minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of a x1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Put of the perpendicular theorem. And the sum also, find the put of the perpendicular from P4, 1 upon the straight line 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So next question, find the orthocenter of the triangle with the following vertices -2, -1, 6, -1 and 2, 5. And third question, if P and Q are the lengths of the perpendicular from the origin to the straight lines, x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to a, then x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to a cos 2 alpha. Then prove that 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. So these are the 3 straight line questions. Now pair of straight line, we know that theorem. So area of triangle theorem. So that the area of triangle formed by the lines ax² plus 2hx² plus bu² is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is. So determinant of modulus of n square root of h² minus aby am² minus 2hlm plus bl². Next, second question. So that the product of the perpendicular distance from the origin to the pair of straight lines represented by ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2bx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of c by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h². So these are the two important theorems. One is area of triangle, another one is product of the perpendicular distance from the origin. Next question, find the values of k if the line joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 and the line x plus 2y is equal to k are mutually perpendicular. So same model, find the angle between the lines joining the origin of the point of intersection of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and the line 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And the same, find the condition for the chord Lx plus my is equal to 1 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square to subtend a right angle at the origin. So limits and continuity, solve limit x tends to 1 to x minus 1 root x minus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 3. Next 17th question, solve let x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx by x square. 18th question, solve limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by x. 19th question, limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos mx by 1 plus cos nx. So 20th question, if y equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x square, then find dy by dx. Next question, find the derivative of sin x power log x plus x power sin x. Second question, sin x power x plus x power sin x. Now 23rd question, 7 marks. If x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b, then dy by dx is equal y x power y minus 1 plus y power x log y by x power y log x plus x into y power x minus 1. Next question, the radius of a sphere measured as 14 centimeters. Later it has found that there is an error 0.02 centimeters in measuring the radius. Find the approximate error in surface area of the sphere. Next question, find the lengths of the normal and subnormals at the point on the curve y is equal a by 2 e power x by a plus e power minus x by a. Next question, show that any point p x comma y on the curve y is equal to b e power x by a. The length of the subtended is an constant and the length of the subnormal is y square by a. Question, locus, find the distance from p to the points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus the ratio 2:3, then find the locus of p. Prove that the points 1 comma 4, 2 comma 15, 3 minus 3 comma minus 5 are collinear. Find the equation of the straight line containing them. Next question, find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through the point 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. Next question, find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Next question, find the sum of the squares of the intercepts of the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 on the axis of the coordinates. So 32 question, find the equation of ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. Represent a pair of parallel straight lines. Then h square is equal to ab or af square is equal to bg square. Then distance between the parallel lines is 2 of root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b is equal to of root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. The diameter of the sphere measured to be 40 centimeters and error 0.02 centimeters made of it. Then find the approximate error value of the surface area of the sphere. So find the angle between the lines whose direction cosines and satisfy the equation L plus m plus n is equal to 0. L square plus m square minus n square is equal to 0. Find the angle between the lines whose direction cosines are given by the equations 3l plus m plus 5n is equal to 0. 6mn minus 2nl plus 5lm is equal to 0. So these are the DCs and DRs questions. So here, so this is the most important questions in Telangana students in Maths 1B. సో ఈ వీడియోలో చూపించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే పేజీ నెంబర్స్తో కూడా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇవి చేసినట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు 100% 75/75 మోర్ దాన్ 46 మార్క్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాయి. సో మన వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి చెప్పండి. సో